Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can clean the MIELE filter in the dryer MIELE EcoSpeed 8kg. So, in the first step we have to open the filter cover, so just push with your finger on this place with a little force. Now we can open the top, and as you can see there we have a MIELE filter. You can freely remove it with no any unlocking or something, just lift it up, and as you can see there we have a MIELE filter with the heat exchanger. Now you can clean it under the water, then put it back. You have to put these holes to these sticks. So put it back like before and push it, then close the top, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.